Good morning, Gator Care family. This is Tracy Nazaro, and I'm your wellness guide today. We're here at Traders Hill Farm, and I'm going to do an unboxing of the vegetables that you'll be getting in your delivery today. So we've got lots of exciting things today. One you're probably very familiar with, which is our Traders Hill Farm romaine. It's grown here in our greenhouses in Hilliard, Florida. So romaine is a dieter's dream in terms of vegetables because it's super easy. Just pull it out of the bag, chopped, makes a great salad. It only has about 8 calories per cup, and it is high in minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and it's naturally low in sodium. And then additionally, it has vitamins C, K, and folate. So the great thing about vegetables that are packed with potassium, potassium is really good for your heart health. So it helps regulate your blood pressure, and it's also great for cardiovascular, for disease prevention. So you always want to have several servings of romaine each week. So next in our bag, in our box, we have spinach. So spinach is a great leafy green. It's a super dark green. This is grown by my friends Cultiva in Jennings, Florida. So this is the end of the season for Florida spinach. We'll be back online probably in October. So I do suggest rinsing this first. So probably about an hour before you're ready to cook it, I would rinse your spinach in a salad spinner. Spin all the moisture out. Maybe put on some paper towels. There's a recipe in your box for an easy saute. So a little bit of olive oil in your pan, saute it just till it's fairly limp, and you have a great easy side dish. You can add some white beans to this. You can add some garlic, some little peppers. You can always jazz up your spinach. This is a great go-to, and you can also eat it raw. So spinach has multiple benefits, and spinach is also high in the B vitamin family, high in iron, magnesium, calcium, and that potassium, so it's good for your heart health. So our other leafy green in the box are these darn cute iceberg lettuce. So these are baby icebergs. They are grown to this size. I love to grill these. So for me, I usually take off that top leaf, and then you'll want to quarter it. So you put the core there, cut it in half, and then you'll cut it in half again. These are great. They make a great side dish. Brush just the insides here with olive oil. Place them on your grill, a couple of minutes, maybe 2. Gets the nice little charred marks. So then you serve it as a wedge salad. You can drizzle it with, I like Skinny Girl salad dressings. They're super tasty and low in calorie and provide a nice flavor to your leafy greens, and even add a little bit of goat cheese to that guy. So these are great. It's a great summertime salad. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a star in my house. These mushrooms were grown in Pennsylvania. Most of our mushrooms in the United States are grown in Pennsylvania. It's the mushroom growing capital of the world. We do grow a little bit in Florida and California, but most of your mushrooms are going to come from Pennsylvania. These are baby bellas. These are super tasty, very meaty. Nice thing about mushrooms is they're very high in protein. So 1 cup of mushrooms has 50 grams of protein. Couple that with being high in fiber. It is, fun fact, the only plant-based source of vitamin D. So as you know, we get a lot of vitamin D from our sun, but we want to be careful about managing our skin, so you can get lots of vitamin D from these mushrooms. Mushrooms you can eat. I do suggest you wash them. You can just chop them and put them right in your salad. They're a great addition to your romaine salad. You can saute them with your spinach salad. When they're sauteed, they get a little spongy, so it has a different mouthfeel to it. But there's lots of uses for these for mushrooms. The other thing you can do is also we're multitasking here at Traders Hill Farm, so our phone is ringing. You can use these. These are terrific mushroom caps. If you do some peppers, you can put them in and make a little baked mushroom cap. So these have multiple purposes. Also in your box, we've got these great tomatoes. So tomatoes, they're high in vitamin C, again, potassium, good for your heart, folate, which is great for your bones and tissue health. So folate is a really important vitamin. It's a vitamin B, really important for women who are pregnant. It helps with tissue growth and development. These guys, slice them right up and put them on your romaine salad. They're a great addition. You have a nice Vidalia. Sweet onions, these are great. They're great for any salads. You can also saute these and add them to your spinach or your mushrooms. And then we have green peppers. So this is the last of our Florida green peppers. These were grown at Double Blake Farms, which is around the corner from us here at Traders Hill Farm. So love these green peppers, super high in fiber, add a nice taste. These peppers are the best tasting peppers I've ever had. And again, peppers are one of those things you can chop and eat raw, or you can saute it. So you can just throw it on your cold salad, or you can saute it and make them a little softer. And then we have our Thai eggplants. So these are also called Kermit eggplants, but the proper name is a Thai eggplant. They are grown by my friend Blake over at Double Blake Farm. Multiple ways you can use these eggplants. My favorite way to use the eggplants is I slice them probably about maybe a ½ inch, and then I baste them. Just to add a little olive oil, put them in your pan, just a light bit of olive oil. So you want to pan fry them on both sides, and then you add a little spice to them. Other way you can do it is you can use a little egg white and bread them, throw them in your air fryer, or you can use your oven as an air fryer, which is what I do because my husband won't let me buy any more kitchen gadgets. So you can dip them in egg whites, put a little breading on them, and then you take a sheet pan, crumple up some tin foil, put them on your tin foil, 400 degrees, put them in the oven, 10 minutes, pull them out, flip them over, another 10 minutes. And then you have a mini non-fried but sort of fried tasting eggplant. I like hot things, so you can add a little sriracha to them, and if that's too hot, you can add a little sriracha and then top with goat cheese. So lots of fun things in your box today, lots of super nutritious foods. These guys are really high in fiber, also magnesium, folate, and that potassium that you need for your heart. So I hope that you enjoy this box. I congratulate you on continuing your wellness journey at Traders Hill Farm. Our mission is to help people live their best lives by providing access to healthy, sustainably grown fruits and vegetables. So best of luck on your continued journey. Drink lots of water. That should always be your choice of beverage. And we appreciate the opportunity to share all these fruits and vegetables with you, and wish you well.